How to turn off personalized ads on Pinterest and improve your privacy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to disable targeted ads in the Pinterest app in just a few simple steps. First, open the Pinterest app and tap your Profile or Saved tab in the bottom right corner. Next, open the menu and go to Settings. From there, tap Privacy and Data. This section contains Pinterest's ad personalization and privacy settings. Now, turn off Use Info from sites you visit. This prevents Pinterest from using your browsing activity on other websites to personalize ads. Next, disable Use Partner Info. This stops Pinterest from using information provided by third-party partners to customize advertisements. You should also turn off Ads About Pinterest. This prevents Pinterest from using your activity to show Pinterest-related ads on other apps and websites. For additional privacy, scroll down and disable other ad-related options, such as activity for ads reporting, sharing info with partners, and ads off Pinterest, if these settings are available in your app version. These changes help reduce ad tracking and limit how your information is used for personalized advertising across Pinterest and other platforms. Once you're done, simply exit the settings page. Your changes are saved automatically. And that's how to turn off personalized ads on Pinterest. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more Pinterest tips, privacy settings guides, and easy how-to tutorials.